solar system, our home. A long time ago, everything was made up of colorful gases and tiny particles called molecules. All of that was very hot and constantly moving. At one point, all those particles began to collide with each other, and this gave rise to what we know as the Big Bang Theory. A great explosion that created the galaxy we live in, the Milky Way, and within it, our solar system. From many pieces of that explosion that came together, the first to form was the Sun, the main star of our system, and the one that gives it its name. The Sun gives us heat and light, and thanks to it, all the planets revolve around it without getting lost in the infinite space. After the Sun, particles joined in different groups, and thus the planets were formed. Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the Sun. It only takes 88 days to make a complete orbit. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, it is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is similar in size to Earth, but it has a very hot and dense atmosphere. Earth, our home. The only known planet with life. It has liquid water, oxygen, and pleasant temperatures. It formed more than 4.6 billion years ago and has one natural satellite, the Moon. Mars, known as the Red Planet, it is the fourth planet from the Sun. It has canyons, volcanoes, and 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It has the famous Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm, and 79 moons. The most well-known are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn. It is the second largest planet and is very famous for its spectacular rings. It is also a gas giant like Jupiter. Uranus is special because it rotates on its side. Its poles point toward the Sun for part of its orbit. This makes it have very long seasons. Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has an intense blue color due to its atmosphere and is 57 times larger than Earth. It has at least 16 moons and takes 165 years to make a complete orbit around the Sun. A system in motion. The 8 planets of the solar system orbit the Sun, each on its own path and at different speeds. For example, Earth takes 365 days, a year, to complete its orbit, while Neptune takes 165 Earth years. End of the journey. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new about our solar system. See you in the next video where I'll talk more in depth about each planet. See you soon, little space explorer. Produced by Carlos Martinez.